So today I'm going to be showing you guys 4 lip combos that you could do for the festive season. I'm going to be using these lip gloss, which are the new Rimmel London Thrill Seeker Glassy lip gloss. So I'm going to be trying it out. It is my first time, and I'm going to do 4 different lip combos that you can try this festive season. So let's go. I'm also going to be using their lip liners to do the 4 lip combos, but any product details will be in the description bar below, and I'm also going to try put it in the video as well whilst I'm doing it. So yeah, so for the first one I'm going to be using this one, which is in the shade Sweet Frosting, and it's supposed to have like hyaluronic acid, so your lips are instantly soft, luscious, and it gives you that plump voluminous look. I'm going to go in with this lip liner in Red Dynamite first to outline my lips. I actually really like this lip liner. It's so soft and it's gliding really smoothly onto my lips. So far these lip liners, the formula is really good. I don't like to overline my lips, but I'm gonna overline just a little bit because I want to try create like an ombre effect. So now I'm gonna go in with the lip gloss on top, and let's just see how it looks first. Okay, I actually love the smell of this. It smells like strawberries but not too strong. It's got like a sweet scent, but I love how it goes on. It's super soft and she's thick. She's quite thick, but yeah. But the only thing I don't like is when you do this, like it creates that sticky kind of thing. I don't know how to describe it, but if you know like old school lip glosses before, like when you speak they create that, like if you put too much it will, yeah, I don't like that feeling. But so far, yeah, you can see as I'm talking, it's literally just. This is lip combo number 1. I like the feel of the lip liner but not the lip gloss. I feel like the lip gloss is very thick, so you can't go heavy-handed with it, and I'm very heavy-handed. But I like the shade. It's quite neutral, which I like. It's got a heavy gloss, heavy shine. It feels moisturizing. It doesn't feel like drying at all, but then again it is thick. But yeah,
tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you.
Okay, lip combo number 2, I'm going in with it seems like a reddish brown lip gloss, and it's in the shade Frosted Berry. And yeah, I feel like this one is going to be my favorite because yeah, I like reddish brown lip glosses. Let's see with the formula, let's see the shade, and I'm going to pair it with darker lip liner, which is in the shade Bitten Red. It's got like a burgundy, I know you guys aren't going to be able to see it in the camera, but it's got like a burgundy brownish, so it will pair nicely with this one.
I cancel plans with you to be what's in and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me?
I feel like the colour isn't really picking up on camera, but this is like a more burgundy red, and I prefer the formula of this lip gloss. It isn't like, it's more sturdy, if that makes sense, but it's not doing that thing when I talk or when my lips touch where like it does that sticky, really sticky thing. So I feel like the formula is different. I don't know why, but I definitely prefer this one. It's still very thick, not as thick as the other one. Maybe that's why the other one was doing that thing when I would talk. But yeah, smells like berries. I feel like each one will smell like what it says it is. But yeah, so this is the second lip combo. I prefer this one because it's much darker. I know maybe in the camera it's not picking up the color that much, but the other one was too bright for me. This one is like a perfect glossy red look. My lips are gonna be so sensitive after this, but it as well, we move. Third lip gloss that I'm trying, it's definitely like a dark brown. It's called Chocolate Glaze. I feel like, I know I said the same thing about the other one, but I feel like this one's gonna be my favorite because I love me a brown lip gloss. I love neutral colors when it comes to like my lips. Let me try to open it if I can. Oh, the color isn't picking up how it actually looks like in real life. It's definitely a more chocolate brown. But yeah, here's what it looks like on the wand. It's definitely a more chocolate brown because you guys can't see it in the bottle how it actually looks like in real life. I'm gonna pair it with the same lip liner that I used in lip combo number 2, which is Bitten Red. It's a more darker red. So yeah, let's line my lips and put the lip gloss, and I will show you guys lip combo number 3. Yeah, the formula with this one is the same as the second one, so different to the first one. It is not, I feel like it's even thinner than the second one. I feel like as I'm trying on the different lip gloss, they just feel thinner and thinner. But yeah, guys, I wish the camera could pick up the color. It just looks like all of them are the same, but they're not. In real life, this one is a more chocolate brown, burgundy kind of vibe, but the burgundy vibe is coming from the lip liner, not the lip gloss, because this lip gloss has nothing red or burgundy in it. So just an alarm. Is lip combo number 3. This is more a chocolate brown. I don't think it is picking up on camera, but my lips are as sore as they look. They look really red and puffy. That's exactly how they feel. Like, yeah. Last but not least, we've got the 4th lip combo, and this one is called Sprinkled Sugar, and it's like a pinky rosy color, more towards a nude. Yeah, formula wise, it doesn't look as sticky and as thick as the first one, but I'm gonna see how it glides on my lips and how it feels. It doesn't really have a scent. It's a sweet scent, but I can't really put a name to the scent. But yeah, let's see how that one goes. I am gonna pair it with the same lip liner, so the burgundy reddish one in shade Bitten Red. Let's line my lips for the 4th time within, how long have I been recording? 30 minutes ish. Yeah, let this be the last lip liner of the day. Yeah, this one's got the same consistency as the other 3. I don't know what it is with the first one, why it has such a sticky, thick formula, but I don't like the first one. I don't. Really nice. She is very pinky though. It's made the lip combo look. Oh no, I changed my mind. The formula is the exact same as the first one. I think it has something to do with the pink pigment that they use on these lip glosses, because the middle 2, the second and the third one, don't have pink I can't talk, pink pigment in them, and the 2 that do, they've got the same problem with the stickiness. So I'm not really a fan of the formula, but the shade, I really like it. It's a pinky nudish. I feel like it's good for like a nude lip combo. But yeah, this is lip combo number 4. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you would try any of these. What is your favorite lip combo? Any suggestions? But yeah, the lip liners and The lip glosses will be linked down below, and I will put the details of each lip combo. I will see you guys in the next video, so stay tuned for that one, which will be soon. Like I said, I am trying to be more consistent, but yeah, I'll see you guys soon.